Commissioning of a Calisto 5 or Calisto 9 online DGA monitor. Starting the gas flows and checking gas leaks. In this video, we will show you how to start up the monitor, start the gas flow of the carrier gas and the calibration gas, and check for gas leaks.
Gas leaks can shorten cylinder lifespan and compromise measurement performance. Please remember that accurate DGA data coming from a Calisto means that the transformer condition assessment can be made with confidence. Please follow closely these instructions to avoid compromising measurement performance.
Here are the tools you'll need. A 1/4-inch open-end wrench, a 5/16 inch open-end wrench, an adjustable wrench, a custom calibration gas wrench provided, a 3/8 inch flat screwdriver, liquid snoop or gas leak detector, PCTFE CGA 180 gasket provided. Monitor startup. Be sure to check the following before providing power to the monitor. Remove the cap on the carrier gas outlet located above the oil outlet shutoff valve. Ensure that no tools or other equipment have been left inside the monitor. The earth ground is properly connected. The mains power is properly connected. An appropriate circuit breaker protects the monitor. All signal, relay, and communication wirings are installed. Both transformer oil supply and return valves are open. Both monitor oil inlet and outlet valves are open. All conduit fittings are fully tightened, and rubber plugs are installed on any unused entry holes. There are no excessive vibrations on the complete system. The oil connections have no leaks.
Note that it is important to complete the procedures for starting the carrier and calibration gas cylinders because the gas flows as soon as the monitor is turned on. Allow at least 30 minutes to complete these procedures.
The monitor can now be powered up by turning the mains supply switch on. The door display will light up after approximately 5 seconds, which is the time required for firmware initialization. When the Calisto 5 or Calisto 9 is powered on or reset, the monitor first enters an initialization and power-on self-test sequence. The duration of the initialization depends on the measurement cycle selected using Calisto Manager. By default, it is 3 hours. During the initialization time, the display will indicate INIT for all gas readings. Note that changing the calibration gas cylinder and/or the carrier gas cylinder in a manner other than as directed by the interactive instructions on the monitor display may lead to monitor malfunction and/or decrease the lifespan of the onboard carrier gas purifier unit. Follow the instructions on the display interface to start the gas flows for both the carrier gas and calibration gas. The measurement cycle will begin once these procedures have been completed. Starting the gas flows. Helium carrier gas. Once the display menu lights up, navigate to the Maintenance menu and select the option for Change Helium Carrier Gas. Read the on-screen information and press Next. Select Next to begin the procedure. Open the Calisto door. Remove the Swagelok cap from the carrier vent in the entry panel, if installed, and press Next. Since this is the commissioning of a new unit, there is no empty cylinder to replace. Therefore, you can skip steps 7, 8, and 9. Ensure that the exit port of the new cylinder is free of any damage or debris. Connect the fitting to the new cylinder and tighten firmly with an adjustable wrench. Do not open the shutoff valve on the new cylinder. Open the cylinder shut-off valve slightly and close it again as quickly as possible. It is possible that the software will prompt for a second opening of the cylinder, in which case, do as indicated. Wait for the venting to be completed. This could take up to 10 minutes. Slightly open the cylinder shut-off valve a second time and close it again as quickly as possible. Please wait 5 to 10 minutes until the venting is complete. Open the shut-off valve on the cylinder. Use Snoop liquid to check for leaks at the gas fitting on the cylinder. Confirm that all previous steps have been completed in sequence by selecting Next. The carrier gas cylinder change is now complete. The unit will automatically resume operation in about 1 hour. Starting the gas flows, calibration gas cylinder. On the door of the Calisto, navigate to the Maintenance menu and select the option for Change Calibration Gas Cylinder. Read the on-screen information and press Next for each one. Press Next to begin the procedure. Open the Calisto door and then press Next. Since this is the commissioning of a new unit, there is no empty cylinder to replace. Therefore, you can skip steps 8 through 11. Insert a new PCTFE gasket between the cylinder outlet and the regulator inlet. Caution: to avoid leaks, do not reuse PCTFE gaskets, and do not substitute a gasket made of any other material. Connect the new cylinder to the regulator inlet. Make sure that the bottom of the cylinder is ready to be strapped in place. Tighten the nut, finger tight, onto the new cylinder, ensuring that there is no play between the cylinder and the stem. You may have to move the cylinder slightly to ensure proper finger tightness. Secure the cylinder using the strap. Then, tighten the nut between 1/4 and 3/8 of a turn. This will deform the PCTFE gasket to form a leak-tight seal. Crack open the cylinder shut-off valve and reclose as quickly as possible. Wait until the venting is complete. This should take about 3 minutes. Once the venting complete screen appears, press Next. Another venting must be performed. Crack open the cylinder shut-off valve, close it as quickly as possible. Wait until the venting is complete. This should take about 3 minutes. Once the venting complete screen appears, press Next. Open the calibration gas shut-off valve about 1 full turn. Verify that the calibration gas pressure is at least 800 psi. If not, contact Morgan Schaefer. Close the Calisto door. Fully tighten the door latches to prevent water ingress. Remember to enter the new calibration gas numbers using Calisto Manager. Please note that this step will be explained in the configuration video. Confirm that all previous steps have been completed in sequence by selecting Next. The calibration gas cylinder change is now complete. The unit will automatically resume operation in about 1 hour. Checking for gas leaks.
After installing or changing a carrier or calibration gas cylinder, it is advisable to check for gas leaks. Gas leaks can shorten cylinder lifespan and compromise measurement performance.
If a leak-checking fluid, such as Snoop or Cal Blue, is available, it is recommended to check the accessible fittings, particularly those that have been connected in the field. Alternatively, a portable helium leak detector may be used to sniff for leaks around the fittings on a wind-still day. If a leak is detected, tighten the leaking fitting by 1/16 to 1/8 of a turn. If the leak persists, contact Morgan Schaffer. Small leaks of calibration gas may be detected by watching for any of the following pressure loss error conditions that are based on readings from the calibration gas pressure sensor: abnormal pressure drop in 1 hour, abnormal pressure drop in 12 hours, small leak, abnormal pressure loss over several weeks of operation.
It is recommended to watch for these errors soon after installing or changing the calibration gas cylinder, and to contact Morgan Schaffer for assistance if they appear.
Care should be taken in interpreting the pressure drop errors as leaks, since they could be caused by a decrease in temperature of the calibration gas cylinder if the door is open. To be sure, close the door and wait to see if the error condition clears. Recommended wait times are 2-hour wait for the 1-hour drop error, 13-hour wait for the 12-hour drop error. This completes the startup of the monitor and gas flow.
Please remember to follow these instructions carefully and contact us if you have any questions. Callisto can be virtually maintenance-free when properly installed. If you have any questions about this procedure, please feel free to ask for our help. Morgan Schaffer offers worldwide service and technical support. We are here to help you.
For detailed information, please refer to the Calisto 5 and Calisto 9 installation and operation manual, or contact Morgan Schaffer's Technical Support Department. This video was produced by Morgan Schaffer, a Doble engineering company, subsidiary of ESCO Technologies.